Hi guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to add signature in Gmail with image. You can add an image signature or logo in Gmail automatically by converting the file to PNG format. So, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open a browser on your laptop. Type the keyword gmail.com in the search field. Make sure you are logged in to your Gmail account. And then click the settings icon here. Click See All Settings. Scroll down. There's a signature option here. So, just click on Create New. Type your signature and click Create. Type the contents of your signature such as your name or brand. Click the gallery icon to insert your image or signature. But first, you'll need to prepare a photo. You can sign on a piece of white paper, take a photo of it with your phone camera, and then transfer it to your computer. Now open New tab and type remove.bg. Visit remove.bg website. Click Upload Image. Find the signature image you have prepared. Upload the image and wait for the process to complete. Click Download. Your image background has been successfully removed and converted to PNG format. Now back to Gmail. Click the gallery icon to insert your signature image. Click Google Drive. Click Upload. Select the image you just downloaded from remove.bg. Click Allow. Adjust the image size. You can choose small, medium, or large. Now click on For New Emails Use and select your signature. Click on Replay or Forward Use and select your signature. Scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, if you want to send an email in Gmail, there will automatically be a signature in image. That's the tutorial on how to add signature in Gmail with image. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.